Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are brining a turkey. So for our ingredients, we have cold water, salt, brown sugar, garlic cloves smashed. We have peppercorn, oranges, limes, rosemary, thyme, and bay leaf. You want to pour your water into a large stock pot. Now we're going to add our salt. We're going to add brown sugar. You want your mixture to come to a simmer. Here I'm just mixing it well. I'm mixing the salt and the brown sugar together. Now I'm going to add in my peppercorn, my bay leaves. I'm adding some thyme, some rosemary, lemons, and sliced oranges. So I'm adding my lemons. Now you want it to come to a simmer and you want to turn it off. You want to let your brine solution cool down. You do not want to pour a hot brine mixture over your turkey or your chicken. You don't want to cook your poultry. Now that my brine has cooled down, you can see I have a little bit in the bottom of my pot. So now I'm just going to sit my turkey into my brine solution. And I'm going to pour the rest of my brine on top of my turkey. Here I'm just moving around the thyme, the rosemary, all that good stuff. And I'm just making sure that it gets all over my turkey. Here I just added a little bit more water on top of my turkey because I want it completely submerged into the brine solution. So here I'm just going to mix it up to make sure that the brine and the water is mixed together real good. And as you can see, my turkey is completely submerged. Then refrigerate it for 18 to 24 hours. When you're ready to cook your turkey, remove it from the brine, rinse with cool water, and pat dry with paper towels. And that's it. It's that simple. We have made turkey brine. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.